what's up with your education? Are you guys done?
No, sir, we are not done. Me and my sister, we just wrote our egg.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and there's no money to further education, so we do catering and
Yeah, we assist our mom in
Oh,
our
really?
catering job. Yes.
But do you have the ambition to the zeal to further your education?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I have to tell you this. Without education, anything you do in life, be it the movie, entertainment, or even the catering, you need education because you will be limited. So you need to continue with your education.
Okay, sir.
I think I'm gonna sponsor your jam and for you guys too. Yes, I'll do that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you, sir.
Stand up. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
Okay.
So what about the acting and the Nollywood stuff?
Okay. Yes, you have to go finish your education. So you will excel.
Thank you, sir.
You have to
sir.
excel.
Thank you, sir.
There's this speed you get when you're done with your education.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. You're welcome, man.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So we have to leave now.
Okay, fine.
All right.
Take
sir.
care of yourself.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, children. Hello. Hello, children. Hello, we are done for now. It's time to sleep. You people should do what? Sleep. I said you should do what? Sleep. You people should do what? Sleep. Hey. Theophilus, I'm talking to you. It's time for us to do what? Sleep. For us to do what? Doctor, face the front. This is sleeping time. You guys should what? Sleep. People should do what? Sleep. I lie down and sleep. You will lie down and sleep and stop looking at me like a moron. Nonsense. Sleep! Doctor!
Which time I can't take finish this thing with you? I been a person who open and take. That premier say so. Hey.
Ha! What again? Now, brother. Eh? Why did you steal my biscuit and started eating it?
Stay with the biscuit. What you call me, sir, brother? Eh? You don't get respect, Abi. No, you don't get respect. You don't know how to talk to elders. Why did they see me? Besides, waiting, your name there for this biscuit. Your name there here.
It's my biscuit.
Come on, mention officer. Biscuit why pick for grand there? Where be say people where produce them for mass for public mass production. Eh? You can't they talk nonsense. If I chop them, you know happy say I chop something where come from you. You know happy some people like in here. Come here, come do face like shit with the plastic.
See, let me tell you, I don't want to know whether you tested it or not. Eh? At your age, you don't have to be stealing things from us.
I told you before. Say I just the test and make I know whether it is sweet or it is bitter. I not just take them. You two at your age, you're not supposed to be carrying biscuits inside school. At your age, you're supposed to look for education. Man, no education. Okay, be better than here at the hotel. Gonna be a rapium. Nge you to give barrier one more warm or season hotel. Me. What I do take you know cooking on pium. You the rice. I'm not going. Okay, na for the rice. You need the azan bujegana. Azan not you draw.
Is your own?
If you don't like, I may go back to your house.
Get my biscuit. Thief.
Thiefies. I mean thief you, thiefies. Idiot. You know happy say I collect nonsense. Biscuit tell them when I rush. Better before me do tawe. Since when you don't the chop. Grow no. You know azan not. Very soon we go build house for back for you. Mazara go wana, Brazil where you go the wear for take pack your nyash. Nonsense. I'm not going to blame you. You know, I'm going to class. Every rap, I want to clap for hotel. Yeah, they can get me a supermarket in Nima. Oh, Tony. No, you get parents. Mamma, I say, bring the background na flash. 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, Kuno Gano get a bassa, labra, bia. When I go on a class, no man. No labor train go away, get him really. I put a word, did you? Hey, who take this boy? Docas. Docas.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Where are you heading to?
I'm coming from my friend's place. I'm going home.
Oh, that is good. How is your parents?
They are fine, sir.
Okay.
Uncle, there is something that I want to tell you.
Hey, I hope all is well.
Everything is fine.
Okay, what happened?
It's concerning AGK.
AGK. I hope all is well, my dear.
Everything is fine. He promised to put me and my friend through Nollywood and even sponsor our jam.
Nollywood. You people want to be rude, not really rude.
Want to be acting.
Acting. Well, that is very good. I hope you both discussed very well.
Yes, we did.
Okay, you said he's going to sponsor your jam,
Yes, sir.
and help you into Nollywood.
Mm.
Wow, that is very good. AGK, very nice person. It's okay, no problem. So, what is it all about now?
Uncle, I'm not even concerned about the jam, but sure you see that Nollywood. I just want you to help us remind him because I know you are talking to him on phone. So you won't forget.
Yes, I do. That Nollywood is one that is more important for you.
The Nollywood.
Well, no problem. When I get home, I will call him.
So, thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. I will discuss with him about that. So I will get back to you later.
Thank you, Uncle.
All right.
Thank you.
My regards to your parents.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Take care of yourself.
Hey!
My friend,
Gift. This is why you are happy like this. You're just happy like someone that won a visa lottery. Tell me. Wait, tell me, what's the secret?
What secrets?
Or is it what he told you that is making you to feel
Stop,
happy?
Joy. You will never change. Shade, the day I told you, let's go and fetch that from Mama to you and you refuse. That was how everything started. Wait now, let me tell you. And when HK came back, we went to see him. And guess what?
What?
He also promised to help us through Nollywood.
It's a lie. I don't believe you. Like
I'm not here
seriously.
to crack jokes with you. I'm being serious.
Gifts. Just because I refused going with you the other time, that was why you refused carrying me along.
You missed
now,
your opportunity now. Sure, you refused. Didn't I ask you to come with me?
Nah, to fetch that water is not an easy something. No.
So,
But this time around,
I'm gaining favor from it now, so allow me.
Gifts. I'm ready to go with you. Please, just carry me along. Please now.
Oh yeah, don't worry, I'll carry you along.
Are you sure? Yes. Oh my God. Thank you very much. Anyway.
So where are you heading to?
You know now, as usual. I want to go and see okay the boy.
You will never change.
Excuse me, I don't see you where don't change.
Enjoy yourself.
You're not born again and I don't see you, but you want to become an actress.
Okay, go. I'm not holding you.
Hello.
What nonsense! What rubbish! How can the both of you fight in the class in the presence of your auntie? Eh? Two big adults behaving like puppies. I won't take this shit again. I will not.
Madam, head white. Sorry, mistress. Madam, I will this is home. This issue. No. Oh, we are not talking. Eh? Si hemrem gano kam to dalang si ho amuguru no wangombu si hemrem gono igaji ha iga hekwa musirike na schoolun awumpangu mo schoolun ti ho teacher madam since why enter this school na so ti ho dey pick me he dey pick me who this is ti ho na him be the headmaster of problem for this school na him not be me.
Oh my God.
Fire that your mouth.
Oh my God.
The caterpillar jam that your mouth. My hembe, who be the protector of your problem at this school? See, madam, no vessel. Everybody waiting for this village know me, so I know they find trouble. Aqua more grown way.
Who pay?
But for the fact, say when I carry this bathroom book to them in a class. She can't gather all the winches where their family. Come bring them into class. Which is some with us, the purpose where you go kill. You know, go see me. I take over Jesus for me. The one in what I'm at. What did he get? Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire!
You know what? See her? I'm not going to witches and wizards.
I hear one.
Monkey boga witches and wizards.
I hear one.
Nango, umunango, how witches and wizards. Makana, I want my witch not one witch.
God of mercy.
Wizard. You shake.
How I be? See this one. How I be? Me and you, who? If we come out for beauty pageantry, who are they going to select? If we come out for Nigerian Movie Association, who are they going to take? After like me, where you take, they take mouth. Just thank your God, sir, no carry bomb here. Let it go. We be like blow where they blow. Why don't know organize where organize you? Where you can't do like blow like this. And they talk say you be like blow. They can't go buy canopy. With a canopy hotel, with a hammer, call a go school. Give Colonel Hotel Coboma. Auntie Dorati. Where they forgot register you for CWO. My women leader. Give a back to the water. Give young neighbor a good school. You should push up. I
want Pango school.
General problem.
I will never
school. Oh no, they was Sunday or Wendy or Sunday or Wendy or Sunday or Wendy.
You had a walk.
Hey!
Madam, no verse.
My God.
Oh,
my God. No! I won't take this again. I will not take this shit again from the both of you. You both are going to want to bring your parents. I will not tolerate it again. How can the both of you disrespect me in my own presence? It has gotten to... In fact, I am sending the both of you home. I won't tolerate it anymore.
To the vessel, madam.
Mama no dey. Imagine. I'm talking before. Mama go bury alone. She go bury alone. One of the one that die. And you know say my man and woman that leader. Nga na thought her boss her alone. Her boss and the ketare her ga was also brano. So please forget my mama. Oh, anything we want settle me, we settle and here. Oh, no go involve her. No be she find trouble. No be she fight. Oh, I don't know what she dey come school can't do. Man at school. Our magaga we baro kwatra ye we hemben.
She ke kwakwa ngoko.
Try ya na school.
She ke masho kwa gi mmiri. She ke makwa ga anya. Biati ho, okay. Madam, inu ni Igbo na mmanya no he. Ya wunu na ị ga-asa akọ ya. Na ọwụ ho mu mere ihe. Asakola m. Sako him.
Asako
him.
Nga ime class mo te wure by the ignition letter nye.
Olùkọ́ wo ignition letter.
Both of you stop nonsense.
Letter, retirement letter.
You so tata ya mango.
Where are you going with your game?
School, of course.
You're not serious.
No.
Is today your cultural day?
No.
And you are going to school with Ogene?
Mama, what is there now? I could do again. I'm not talking. You know, some of them can go. I mark Ogene during break. I learn school. I learn book during class. Any never learn.
Theophilo, such a need change go. Such a need change go. Pico, go and drop that thing inside. Pico. Oh. Pico, Nina. Go and drop it inside the oh. Oh. It's all done. You don't beg here?
Yeah.
Now your lunch box. Bye bye. Oh. Batakwa n'oge o.
Na shogu geri. Imagine on ga chiro onwe ha high BP. Ogbasara go.
Chineke me. Tiho. Imoma. Ichikoda anya gi. What children the cure BP. Children when they just born na. Wo bra ha ka dey make tutu. They complain BP. That means you self you go soon die. You go soon die of BP.
Now you go die. Now you go die. Now you your generation now go die. I dodge you. Stupid thing. Why you go come pursue them come out for here? Why you go pursue them? It concern you.
It concern me.
Ogelem nonga na ko imagine enwuro bia nwure. Keep nga chinu ha ka isi chupuga. Ina chinketa na shogu geri. Why you go pursue them?
Hey,
stupid imbecile.
Tiho, you are so shameful. You the shameful to Tiho ko gonna what that again. And them one. Tiho, your shame with their shame me. You there here they knock Ogele for umo shishi. one banshee, okay, you for don't bond to them as your children.
Look at this one. You will be say if you say you start the bond from the first time where blood they come out from your body, by now you go don't born person where born me. Imani here okuko share. Your mates now they inside bush, they jump from 3 to 3. No wagon anywhere. They jump from 3 to 3. And when 3 even go and when dog wagon knife. In fact, take a hand disease attack. You can't hear come plat to chuku. They here go no majane rather than anywhere. You will canopy meru. It will look what your param.
Yeah, what ganya? Yeah, but what dalam ganya tiho? Lebagi, Imahuna walking and Tiamuchana. Oh, we mahuna wong na ncha nwuche no nga na akogele no he na akogele hey to ho owo na amuru ge mu shegi ke say they born you well odala kpam manu
eso
o kpam
ogela pam
e koro kpam
ama akokwa ya pam pam me cho
na e ga akokpam pam
aga ma akọ ya kofe kpara kpata pam pam
okay ngwa kodala pam pam hey bush 3 make una dey hear my voice so hey Tiho if they born you well say your name na Tiho ikwu here again here mbebulu gelo hapu ka
What is wrong with the both of you? I said, what is wrong with you? Why can't you stay in peace in this school and stop fighting all the time? I will deal with the both of you.
Madam, sorry. It no go happen again. You know me now. Me, I know they find trouble. I be innocent. I don't match you. All this elephant here. Make she stay her own, make I stay my own. Day your day, make I day my day. You know they here. Leave me alone for this school. You know they agree.
Go away, innocent. Time here broke. Nge, they no innocent. You have saw me that using wahala to sew clothes. Problem.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up?
Madam, no vessel. Na Theo here. Na Theo be the attritant of the whole problem what they happen for this school. Na him be the attritant.
I want to start attritant. I got my intro tech. I resemble you people where they draw house. I resemble you people where they draw something. Look at the kind of English you spoke.
Will you shut your trap? You that knows how to speak English. Look at how you are modern English for us. Eh? Look at what you are doing with English for us.
So what I way. English no be our own. Stupid imbecile. Yes. Scallywand.
Can you imagine? And you have the audacity to talk in my presence. Eh?
She is a bamboos. You're a bamboos.
You know what? See, from today henceforth, Theo or whatever your name is being called, let me not see you cross this gate again without your ogele or whatever nonsense you move around with.
I want
that. Eh? What kind of a human being are you? Why can't you abide by simple instruction? And you shut up your mouth, Madam Wonder. I wonder. Margaret Thatcher.
CWO.
Incubator.
Fati Bombo.
Can you imagine? Shut your mouth! Shh. Shut your trap, the both of you. Let this nonsense not repeat itself again in this school. Are you hearing me? Do you understand?
We don't hear.
We don't hear.
Nonsense. Get into your class now and don't talk again. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir, madam.
Oh yeah, run to your class.
No, if you help me, Abby.
Help who?
No, if you help me, Abby.
Come
on, help me, sister. Help my catch up.
In my presence.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.